Happy New Year 2021. We are here on Sanibel Island shelling. Tide is going out. The lowest point of the low tide is in an hour. We have been walking the beach for about a half hour now. And oh my God, look at that. Sorry, as I cough. Look at this, it's like a little horse conch.
Oh, so it's going out.
It's going out. The lowest point is at 10 o'clock this morning. So sorry for the coughing. I have allergies. Sanibel is experiencing a red tide. It's making me cough. I'm perfectly healthy besides my allergies. And as you can see, if you've been watching my other shelling videos from this trip, this is the biggest shells we've seen so far. Usually the last couple days, is he still together? I'll throw him back. It's just been a whole bunch of itty bitty shells. The surf was a lot rougher, but today I found excuse me, a couple big ones, which is a rarity. So, where'd that one go? Oh, it was just a broken one. I thought I saw something. Oh well, whatever it was, I missed it. Gotta be quick. Gotta be quick. Right here? Oh. Oh. Got another fighting conch. I am so glad I wore my water shoes this morning. Yeah. I almost didn't because they were still wet from yesterday. Now I gotta sneeze. Hold on one second. I gotta cover my mic. Oh, it just passed.
There's a lot less people today.
There is a lot. I was talking about that earlier. I definitely feel like it's weird. So today's January 2nd. So even though, New Year's Day is over with, it's still a Saturday. So I was like, everyone who came down for New Year's Eve, I thought they would stay the weekend, and most of them didn't. Most of them left. Oh, yes. Oh, wait, I think I see a tulip right here. Here, grab that. Alright, I'm not seeing it now. I thought I saw a tulip. Oh, there's a big fighting conch. Alright, I'll make do with the fighting conch. I give up. It's hard to catch them in the surf like that. Hard to catch them. So anyway, still a decent amount of people on the beach, but not nearly like the last couple days. The day we arrived, the day before New Year's Eve, oh my God, the traffic was crazy. Thought I saw something again. Yep, fighting conch, fighting conch, fighting conch. Oh, there goes my shorts. I missed it, and I got doused. There's a lip right there. I give up.
No,
All that for nothing. The tire, it needs to just be a little lower. Gosh darn it, because there's a lip right there that if it would just go out 2 feet, it would be shell. Do you still see it? As my pants are now soaked. Oh, that's one. Oh, damn it. Darn it. Sorry, I cussed and I missed it. I missed it. Oh, there it is. There it is. Sorry for the cussing. I give up. I'm going to walk back on the line and just take my chances.
Somebody's in there with a string pulling it back.
I know. It's like that Geico commercial. You got to be quick.
Oh, there's another one.
Ow. Oh man. That's a nice turkey leg. Oh, there's another mussel. Oh, first dead fish of the day.
Oh, no.
What's that?
That's a whole bunch of things.
Is he alive?
Probably those things inside are.
Yeah, throw him back. He's. This shell's trying to hitch it right in my sock. Yes, I'm wearing socks with my water shoes. Otherwise, my feet would like just rub raw. All right, it's Fighting Conch Day.
Crazy.
All right, thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you're having a happy new year.